A block of mass m initially moving on a rough surface as shown in this figure. Figure 2 shows four forces acting on the block. Which of the following best describe the motion of the block at the moment shown in this two figure? In figure 1, the body of mass m is moving in right direction. It has the velocity in right direction, and these are the forces acting on the body. Mg downward direction, normal upward direction, and this force, capital F force, which is applied on the body is on the right side, and this F, small f, this is the frictional force which is applied to the left side. As you can see from the arrows that this arrow length, this vector length is small as compared to this friction force vector. So what we understand, the net force, if this is the small f and this is the capital F, the net force would be in this direction, F minus F capital F. So this would be in left direction. So it means there must be a net force acting in this direction. So the velocity is in right direction and the force in opposite direction, means the velocity must be decreasing with time. So although the block is moving to the right side, but the velocity is decreasing. So the correct option is C. The block is moving to the right but slowing down. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please like it and subscribe the channel. We will bring more problems along with the solution. So if you have any query, then you can WhatsApp me. If you want a private tuition from me, then you can scan this or send me an email on forcetra.physicss@gmail.com. See you in the next video.